is the owner of Mi Bambino, and she's such a talented lady. She has so much knowledge about fashion, forecasting, design sectors.
I've been doing Mi Bambino for a really long time, for about 3 to 4 years, and I needed the right mentors to help me from an industry and from my academic background.
And I think, truthfully, when we met, it was just one of those times when you just needed a little bit of added support, really, didn't you?
I was at a crossroads with the business, to be honest, and I needed the creative direction but also a business direction. Jenny saw the collection that I had and saw basically what I've done and the research and all my suppliers and the manufacturers and so forth, and gave me the reassurance and the confidence to know that I'm doing everything right.
All you needed was a refocus. Your Mi Bambino brand is absolutely beautiful, you know, bamboo, luxury children's wear. The impact of COVID, the timing with retail, actually it's a difficult time to launch any new brand at the moment. And then lo and behold, all this trend forecasting that you can do up to 22, 23, you know, all this information that you have gathered, and it's such high quality information. It was almost, you just needed that little bit of a push about fashion file.
I'm glad I found it in N17 project, because without Jenny mentoring me and Nigel mentoring me and utilising the skills that I have got, I wouldn't be here doing this video with you now.